In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to curve text in Adobe Express. If you want to give your design a more creative look, curving your text is a simple way to do it. Adobe Express makes this process quick and beginner-friendly, so whether you're designing a social post, a thumbnail, a flyer, or any other graphic, you can adjust your text style in just a few clicks. To get started, open your project in Adobe Express. Make sure you're inside the design where you want to edit the text. This is important because the curve options only appear when you're working directly with a text element in your project. Once your project is open, select the text box that contains the text you want to curve. Click directly on the text so Adobe Express knows which text layer you're editing. If you have multiple text boxes in your design, double-check that you've selected the right one before moving on. That will help you avoid changing the wrong text by accident. After selecting the text, look over to the left panel and find the option called Text Layouts. Click on that and you'll see different ways to curve your text. Adobe Express gives you a few built-in curved text styles, including options like circle, arch, and bow. These layouts let you quickly change the shape of your text without needing to manually adjust each letter. When you choose one of those styles, the effect is applied automatically to your selected text. This makes it easy to preview different curved looks and decide which one fits your design best. For example, a circle style can work well for logos or badges, while an arch or bow may be better for headings or decorative text. If the first option you try doesn't look quite right, you can simply click another layout and compare the results. This is a good time to think about readability as well as style. A curved effect can look great, but you'll still want the text to remain clear and easy to read in your overall design. And that's it. That's how to curve text in Adobe Express. As a quick recap, open your project, select the text box you want to edit. Go to the text layout section in the left panel and choose a curved style like circle, arch, or bow. Adobe Express will apply it automatically so you can quickly create a more polished and eye-catching design. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you customize your text more confidently in Adobe Express.